My voice is the catalyst for creating harmony in life. To find yourself, think for yourself. Self-reflection is a humbling process. It's essential to find out why you think, say, and do certain things. Then better yourself. Wisdom comes from reflection. Reflection is one of the most underused, yet powerful tools for success. Our life is a reflection of your thoughts. If you change your thinking, you change your life. We do not learn from experience. We learn from reflecting on experience. Life can only be understood backward, but it must be lived forwards. Life can only be understood backward, but it must be lived forwards.